Coventry is known globally for solving the most critical application challenges. Our high-purity swelling solvents offer medical equipment manufacturers an innovative way to efficiently secure tubing onto connectors. To use Coventry Swelling Agents with silicone tubing, dip about 1 inch of the end of the tubing into the swelling agent. Hold it in the solvent from 5 to 10 seconds, depending on the type and thickness of the silicone. Withdraw the tube from the solvent. The solvent causes the elastomer of the tubing to swell, increasing the size of the opening. Slide tube over barb on the connector. The solvent will flash off, causing the tube opening to shrink over the connector, forming a secure, permanent bond. This can take from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of the tubing. Bonded parts can be handled within minutes. Coventry Swelling Agents provide a cleaner, faster, and easier bonding method than other common alternatives like thermal bonding, solvent bonding, and bonding with medical-grade adhesive. One method of attaching tubing to a connector is to apply heat, melting together the tube and connector material. The disadvantage of this method is it stresses and potentially weakens the connector, increasing the risk of breakage. In addition, plasticizers and other materials within the polymers could leach out. The solvent bonding method uses an aggressive solvent to partially dissolve and tackify the surface of the materials. Once they harden, the tube and connector mechanically bond together. Similar to hot welding, the aggressive solvents can stress the parts. Flexible tubing can lose its mechanical strength or begin to break down. Rigid plastics can actually craze or crack as the solvents attack the material. Adhesives are available to bond connectors to tubing. This method can be very effective but costly. The curing process can also add complexity and potential contamination. UV curable adhesive only cures line of sight, so cloudy or opaque tubing or connectors can block light and cause contamination from the partially cured adhesive. In contrast to solvent welding, thermal bonding, and medical-grade adhesive bonding, Coventry swelling solvents have low toxicity, do not stress the assemblies, do not risk contamination from extractables, and utilize a fast, efficient bonding process. So, if you are looking for a fast, efficient, easy, and residue-free method of attaching medical-grade tubing to connectors, evaluate the great options from Coventry. Solvents for biotech and life sciences. Lab testing and analysis. Medical devices and microelectronics. Contact us to speak to a technical specialist to find the right solution for your requirements.